Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to connect chain in Trust Wallet. So yeah, let's just start video. So how you can do it, how you can connect chain in Trust Wallet. You can open Telegram bot, and after you can open up your chain and then select the connect wallet. If you have anyone wallet with a Trust Wallet, so you can tap on Trust and then connect. After you can go Trust Wallet right now. And here you can see manage crypto, tap on it and select one cryptocurrency, and after you can select the address of your wallet and copy this link and you can connect the chain. So this is how you can do it. That's it guys, see you in the next video. Bye.